Like humans, animals are also living beings who want happiness, comfort, and food to keep themselves alive. However, in human society, stray animals are being treated as a problem and nuisance. But there are some organizations who work for the well being of such stray animals all over India. One such organization which works here in Ladakh, the roof of the Himalayas, as the savior of stray animals is Live to Rescue. Here is more from our Leh correspondent Funsuk Wangmo.
Live to Rescue is an organization which was established in the year 2014 when there were many incidents of fatal dog attack in various parts of Leh district which resulted in human-animal conflict. Perhaps it was the noble initiative of His Holiness the Gyalwang Drukpa Rinpoche whereby Stray Animal Care and Management Center was established at Nang village of Leh district, which is 25 km away from the main Leh city. At this rescue center, sick, injured, infirmed and abandoned animals are being sheltered. Mr. Tilles Nurbu, member, Stray Animal Care and Management Center, has to say more on it.
Live to Rescue Stray Animal Care Center was founded by His Holiness the Gyalwang Drukpa and His Eminence Drukpa Thukse Rinpoche in Ladakh. One of the main vision behind founding of this center is the care for stray animals which are left out in the streets, especially in cities. That does not only contains dogs but also donkeys, bulls, cows, other animals as well. Second major problem that Leh faced in 2010, 11 and 12 and were that the stray animals were becoming very problematic because the dogs were attacking people and there were several cases where dog even killed people. So this was disturbing the harmony between human and animals, especially stray animals, where people were becoming furious towards the stray animals and the vice versa. So His Holiness thought that there should be some solution, and that solution was to make a separate space for those stray animals. And that is how the idea of Live to Rescue came up, where people could also stay in harmony, their areas could also stay clean, and at the same time the animals would also not get disturbed and live in harmony. And second thing that the idea of Live to Rescue tackles is there are so many cases of road accidents. We have government facilities of ambulance if people meet with an accident, but what about the animals? So animals, every day there are 10 to 15 cases where there's some other accidents of a donkey, a stray cow or a dog, and whenever there's an accident, the Live to Rescue team rescue them, give them medical treatment and also house them if they are not able to walk again in the same street. Currently we have around 200 stray animals and most of them are the injured animals who were rescued from some accident or some deadly disease, and out of which we have 170 dogs, and we also have cows, sheep, goats and majorly donkeys. And one of the interesting thing is at Live to Rescue Center we have a clinic set up for the treatment of the stray animals, and dogs get sterilized every time they come, every time they are brought from a rescue. We are also proposing a visitor center so that it could become a hub for people to visit, and the compassion and love for the animals could grow among people. And we also get many visitors. Some people celebrate their birthday, some people come for offering something on some auspicious days. That is a major idea. The good thing is that recently our Lieutenant Governor of newly formed Union Territory of Ladakh is also concerned about the stray dog menace. He has instructed animal husbandry very strictly that something needs to be done, and I think NGOs and societies like Live to Rescue could play a major role in this, and together we could really tackle the issue of stray dog menace. Both the animals could live in harmony. We are looking forward for a clean, healthy and stray animal friendly society in Ladakh. Yeah, I would definitely like to talk about some of the people's initiatives which are key in handling this, that people have actively come up, helped Live to Rescue. There were so many people who have came to the center and adopted those animals, taken their animals to home. And at the same time, this adoption process has been widely popularized among people because it is the people who could take individual stand against such menace and at the same time solving such problems. So adoption process has been one of the successful activities that Live to Rescue has conducted. At the same time, people are also donating all the necessary things in kinds at the rescue center, which has been key in running this center because it's an NGO, so we do not have a proper, regular, continuous channel of income. So it is the people who have been helping us in running this. Recently, we have extended the sheds for the dogs and other animals, looking forward to accommodate more stray animals.
In Leh Ladakh, Live to Rescue, along with the Animal Husbandry Department and the Municipal Committee Leh, works for the abandoned, injured and sick animals. And these animals are being taken care of and their needs are being looked after at this center. Phunsuk Wangmo from Leh.
Wow, listeners, that was some interesting news from the organization Live to Rescue, working as saviors of stray animals. Dear audience, we are glad today that we could cover our presence across the nation.